times we know that we are ready for divorce, we need a divorce, and we want a divorce. But we don't take that next step because we're so worried about the kids and we're so connected to our identity of being a wife and being a mom, being a full-time caretaker, that the idea of not having our kids with us 24/7 can send us into full-on panic mode. I'm here to let you know it's going to be okay. It is super uncomfortable at first, and I've got a few tips of like, what do I do the first few weekends I don't have my kids? If you don't have a plan, you can find yourself sitting in a black hole as you navigate through to creating your new identity. Number one, this is a whole new world. Any option is available to you now. We forget that once we have kids, our entire world shifts and we're kind of tethered to life as we know it based on the kids. You have the absolute freedom to do what you want. Is there a place that you've never been to that you'd love to explore? Book a weekend getaway if you can. Just go and explore and treat yourself for the weekend. Number two, when's the last time you were able to sit on your couch and read a book? Or just sit in quiet? Prepare and plan. Know that it's gonna feel a little bit awkward and a little bit off, and the silence is gonna feel really big. So have a great book that you've been wanting to read and just sit with it. Maybe you read a few pages, maybe you read the whole thing, but you'll have that plan ready to go. Third, for the first couple weekends, if you can't go away or you don't wanna read a book, make plans with friends. Now, I would say if you're making plans with friends, really consider the people that are the healthiest and the most supportive in your life, who are gonna be there with you, who are gonna have a good time with you, but not take you down a toxic road or rev you up. It's a hard time. We need people who are gentle, kind, supportive, and loving. So your first few weeks of not having your kids during the weekend, have something prepared and ready to go so you're not sitting there alone in your thoughts, in your feelings, and unsure about what to do with yourself. And little tip, I've been at this for a while now. It gets a lot better and a lot easier, and I love my time with my kids, and now I've scheduled my life so that when I have them, I am more attentive, I don't make plans, I hang out with them, and then I'm so excited for my breaks where I can go do whatever I want, even if it means I'm just sitting on the couch.